Today we're going to be working on, where is it? Alex's car over there. And we're going to be pulling out this dent that's at the bottom, and we're going to be getting his, you know, the not the rocker panels, but where people jack up on the car is not the, like, that whole line. It's supposed to be straight. It's not supposed to be bent in. So what we're going to do is try to get it aligned properly. And the only part where you're supposed to jack up the car really is on, like, the frame of the body, not on those parts of the car, but people do it anyways. But since I'm OCD, I'm going to get that straight. I'm going to pull out the dent that's over there, and there's a hole underneath where somebody like drilled something, and we're going to fill that in today with weld and grind it all down and make it nice and smooth. So that's the plan today. Let's let the camera charge for a bit. Right now we have a lot of things going on with the DA. I was able to get the side of the floor down there, the rocker panel, straight, but there's a dent that I can't pull out, so that's going to have to be there. You guys can obviously see he's already taped up the side skirt. I got it as straight as possible, as much as I can. This just needs to be fucking like smoothened out a little bit more, brought down a little bit more, because it's tucked up there. Alex is right now, he's sanding the rest of the car so that way we can get it ready for primer. The rest of the windows and everything are all ready for primer. Well, they're all taped up, so he's just doing this, getting everything leveled to the way he wants it to be. So when we primer, it's all said and done. I'm still, there's some holes that are underneath there. For some reason there's a hole underneath this spot right here. Don't know why. Somebody tried to weld it, didn't work out. So I'm going to grind that down, and then we're going to re-weld that, grind it down some more, get it all nice and smooth, because we don't want moisture to get inside there. Also, shout out to Ambidestrious. He got me Spoon Sports strut bar. This is a legit Spoon Sports strut bar. Fits right there in the rear. Bam. Right there. So thank you, Ambidestrious. Make sure you guys check out his channel. And I'll get back to you guys as soon as this is done and I can start welding. What do you say? Remember that dent, Rico? It's not there no more. I still need to sand all this shit down and then filler it over there too. Kevin, he's talking to you. But right now he's about to do some more sanding because he just put some Bondo down, I think. Let's see. Did he put Bondo down? No, not yet. But look at this side. He still got more to go. We're getting this shit primered today, even if it's night, we don't give a fuck. We're just gonna primer this bitch today.
You sure you don't want no cut?
Good. Alex is taping this up, getting this all ready. And then, yeah, he's doing the razor. Let me show you guys what he's doing on this side. He's going along the tape that I put down, and he's just going to tape this up here. So I'm going to hold this for him right now. That's my arm. You should have wet it first. Like the glass.
Water is not your friend.
Neither is the wind, like you see.
Can't understand what you're saying, but you're talking shit. Fuck you. Oh fuck, look at what you did here. Yeah, I got you. Did I make your life a lot easier by doing this? No? Are you serious?
Honestly. Thank you.
I can't understand what the fuck you're telling me. Yes or no?
Thank you.
Yeah, see there, you can just go on the tape and you don't even have to worry about fucking up. And see, I brought it all the way to here. Look, right over right here. I brought it all the way to here so you could take go right here.
Fucking swing. Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks.
All right. Take your side. Do a cut and then take some tape. Stop right there, stop right there. Use your razor.
Bro, fire.
Okay.
Like, I'd rather work 10 seconds than get more meat.
Action. Tape pulled my hair. So we could tape this as shitty as we want to right now because there's already the window's already taped itself. Can you see that razor, please? Cut my side. I pulled the smallest piece of tape. Well, I'm not like you when it comes to taping. You're all like making corners and whatnot. I suck at taping, obviously, as you can see.
I feel like there's a
Bam. And then cut this right here and here. All right, there it is. All right, so all the glass is taped up. All the what are those called? Side moldings are taped off. He's gonna tape down the whole front end right now because the front end is already painted, and the only thing that needs to be painted really is just the bumper. So he's gonna tape it all down, fold it down, and cut off the little excess like this. So yeah. Careful, don't lose that razor. It's like the only one I have. I stole 3 from Louise and I lost them all.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this car's about to be primered. It's already looking good. You know what it looks like? Trash truck.
A trash truck, huh?
If Michelle's gonna be watching this, she's gonna go, yep, yep. Like, you know how she does that? Yep.
Yep.
Alright. So we went through the entire car because it looks clean, right? It's because we use this stuff right here from Duplicolor. You can also get this at AutoZone. Always use this before painting your car or anything. It removes all the contaminants and it makes the surface nice and...
Cut. Camera, action.
Oh. Shit. Hold on. Here you go. Hold on. Wait. Thank you, Chris Sadowski, for the rags. They have been really coming in clutch. Ah! Oh! I got the paint in my cut! Oh!
That's love into your body, bro.
It hurts. Why does it sting? I've had pain in my cuts before, but never like that. That shit hurts. Fuck. Anyways, make sure that you clean the area with wax and grease remover. That's what it's called. At AutoZone, it's called wax and tar remover. Damn, that shit fucking burn, man. You can tell that's some cheap shit because that shit burnt the shit out of me. Everything's all taped up and ready to go.
Buddy, I got cheap primer. Thanks.
You had good primer. I don't know what happened, but you didn't like it. It came out too thick. What is this called?
That's the same thing. That's lacquer primer too.
Oh, that's why it fucking burned. It was lacquer.
Sir.
But man, I don't think I've seen a car looking this clean before.
Your entire life.
Yeah, no, never. But all the bird caca and the tree sap and whatnot, what have you, came off. So he's mixing the primer right now. He's gonna paint. He's gonna put on his respirator, which I'm gonna make him do, because I have mine right here. And then he's in a primer, and all this shit's gonna go that way.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. You always lay down the first layer kind of tacky. You don't want to lay it on heavy. You want to do a few coats of it. So that way it kind of layers up. Because if you don't do a few coats of it, then it's just going to start running and you're just going to have a hard time.
You're getting good at saving product.
Oh, she died. Yo, because you can't scream into it, but so this is second coat right now. This is actually the first coat, but he got second coat right here. Second coat's about to go in there. There goes Louise looking like a dumbass. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but look at how good this is coming out. It's not flaky and chunky. It's nice and flat and even. Really, really nice. Now he's about to do second coat. This right here is the second coat. Gotta do 3 now. in all its glory. I mean, okay, if you're ever gonna tape up a car, let's just take note first. Don't get cheap tape, and if you're gonna do it, don't let it sit for a fucking day or two like I did, because that's where I messed up. So I let it sit, and it kind of got sticky, so it just, you know, stayed there and chilled, and then when I try to peel it off, like, it's breaking off in pieces. So not a good thing, but I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure to sorry, I haven't eaten today. Please make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your notifications, so that way you guys are notified whenever I upload. New upload is coming out on Wednesday. Well, this video should be coming out Wednesday. All my links to my sponsors are down below. Save yourself some monies. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.